we're able to apply a better tolerancing there when we do machine it as a secondary operation.
With permanent mold specifically, you're going to have to add different types of tolerancing based off of the parting line. So you're going to have a tolerance that goes from one parting line to the end of the casting, or even crossing over the parting line. So for example, when you're ejecting a part, you're going to have to, essentially your parting line is going to look like this. It's almost going to come to a cone so that you can cope and drag, pull the part out of the mold. So depending upon the length of the part, you're going to have to add in more draft, less draft the longer the part is, and the shorter the part, more draft. So that's going to be some specific tolerances you're going to need to help eject the part, and then you can go ahead and machine some of that off if you don't need that draft. And then also, for example, when you machine a casting, you're gonna, it's a near net shape. You're not gonna have 100% the part you have designed finished when it comes out of the mold. So that's why you add machine tolerancing on, so that you can go in and finish it to the spec that's needed. And we always say it's really important to call out what your critical features are. You're gonna get very expensive when you start calling out more and more critical features when you get through a casting.
So the sidewall of a box could be, a certain dimension, but the machining portion of that box could be machined to the tolerance you need.
Yes.
Right, so that's what Rachel's alluding to. There's critical dimensions and non-critical dimensions.
Yeah, I think we talk a lot here about the general terms of form, fit, and function, right? A lot of times you can get caught up in the dimensioning of a part and calling out every single dimension related to that part. In reality, you're trying to get that screw hole or a tight tolerance that you machined in line with the part you're combining it with there.